Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome to the Binary Logic YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to trade in binary options using SRT trading pattern. Okay, so according to the SRT trading pattern, you need to draw some levels. You need to measure the market condition. You can see there was a long downtrend and then uptrend, and then the market is now running almost sideways. So I need to draw some levels. Okay, so draw some indicator here, select the line, and let's draw some lines. Okay, so here is the horizontal lines. I will place a lower option after this candle, because this is a level. It's almost a strong level and the rejection is happening. Let's draw another line here. Okay, another line I will draw later. Let's see what happens. So I am placing the lower option. The new minute has been started. I am expecting it will go down. Let me explain why. You can see this is the level, this is the level, this is the level, and here the level is respecting this line. Here the level is also respecting the line, and from this point I can expect the price will go down. Let's see what my trade does. It is still now in losing condition. Let's see what happens till the end of the minute. Okay, 9 more seconds remaining. Still it's a losing situation. Okay, it's a losing trade. Okay, it's a losing trade. I will not place trade now because this is a sideways zone. If I draw the line, you will see this is a sideways zone, right? So I will not place the trade here. The market can do a little bit consolidation here. The prediction was not right. Now let me explain why it happened. You can see this is the level and the price was up above the level. Okay, that is why the market continued with the trend. It's a little tiny uptrend, so I didn't win the trade. No problem. I need to analyze the market again and again to get the correct situation of trading. So you can see this is a consolidation area. The price will consolidate in this area. Okay, so it is going to be a lower candle. So if the candle touch this line, I will place a higher trade. Okay, if the candle touch this line, I will place a higher trade. Let me explain why. Because this is the resistance. So if the candle touch this line, I will consider it as the support line. Okay, and instantly I will place the trade. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay, the market is not behaving like the reversal pattern, so it's still in uptrend. It's uptrend. The candle should be a lower candle, but you can see it's a higher candle. So what I will do, I will wait for the exact situation of trades. You can see this zone is not good for trading, so I need to wait and I need to get the actual time of trading. This is the key of your success in binary options trading. If you cannot find the current situation of trading, you probably not make money from binary options trading. You need to be patient. Okay, So the situation currently is tough. Okay, let's wait. Let's wait for the actual trade setup where I can place the trade with confidence. You can see I am late, but I will place higher option because it broke the zone with a fresh candle. That means the market will now reach this level. It was a late entry, but let's see if I win the trade. That would be a great trade for me because I did a late entry. You can see I couldn't place the trade in proper time because I am now talking. My concentration was not in my chart, so it is gonna be a winning trade. As it also crossed this line, the next target can this one. Okay, so let's drag that line here, and you can see the market has crossed this line too. It's a winning trade. And now I will place another trade if the market goes a little down, and I will place the trade. Okay, as I said, the market went down a little bit and now it is going up. So I couldn't place the trade because I missed it, and the market will now touch this resistance. Okay, from now all of the candles were buy candle, that means higher candle, so it touched this line. So now I can expect a little retracement after this candle. Okay, so a small rejection is happening, 55 seconds. Let's see what I can do. Okay, I will place a lower option because the market closed with rejection. You can see this is the level and this is the rejection period. Let's see what my luck does. This is the rejection period. Though it's a big rejection, a small rejection like this would work better here, but I am now still in the trade. I am not increasing the size of my trade because if I increase the trading size, I will probably lose money. That is why I am waiting for the exact 16 seconds remaining. I cannot predict the market 100% every time, but you can see it's a winning trade. This is how you can predict the market using SRT trading pattern. SRT means support, resistance, and trend line. So in this short trading session, I lost one trade and I owned 2 trades. I hope you guys understand. The price should go up from here because this is the resistance level, and the price should now go up after this small retrace. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, The Binary Logic, to get more tutorial like this, and thumbs up this video if you like my effort. I will see you in another video. Bye.